Sage Intacct is a cloud-based financial management software designed to help businesses manage their accounting and financial operations efficiently. Here's a brief guide on how to use Sage Intacct. Login and Dashboard Overview. Login. Access your Sage Intacct account using your credentials. Dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which provides an overview of your financial data, key performance indicators, and pending tasks. Set up your company. Company information. Go to the company module and enter your business details, including address, tax ID, and fiscal year settings. Chart of accounts. Set up your chart of accounts under the General Ledger module. This involves creating account codes for various income, expense, asset, and liability categories. Manage transactions. Create invoices. Navigate to the Accounts Receivable module to create and send invoices to customers. Enter the customer details, invoice items, amounts, and due dates. Record bills. In the Accounts Payable module, record bills from vendors. Enter the vendor information, bill items, amounts, and payment terms. Process payments. Receive payments. Record customer payments against outstanding invoices in the Accounts Receivable module. Pay bills. Process vendor payments in the Accounts Payable module. Select the bills to pay and execute payments through your preferred payment method. Reconcile accounts. Bank reconciliation. Go to the Cash Management module to reconcile your bank accounts. Match transactions in Sage Intacct with your bank statement to ensure accuracy. Credit card reconciliation. Similarly, reconcile credit card statements by matching them with recorded expenses. Generate reports. Financial reports. Access the Reports module to generate financial statements, such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Custom reports. Create custom reports tailored to your business needs using Sage Intacct's reporting tools. Integrate and automate. Integrations. Integrate Sage Intacct with other business applications like CRM, payroll, and inventory management systems. Automation. Set up automated workflows for recurring transactions, notifications, and approvals to streamline operations. Training and support. Learning resources. Utilize Sage Intacct's online learning resources, including tutorials, webinars, and documentation. Customer support. Reach out to Sage Intacct's support team for assistance with any issues or questions.